Let me see if anything's actually. They may be gone. Those may be gone.
Chromie, I priced it wrong. Take advantage of it. What's left here? No, just click available. This was, you know who's responsible for this break? Los Maybes. Yeah. He's the proud owner of this break.
It's all three of these. It's all three of these. All three of these are still available.
We pulled a Steph Black one yesterday.
This is it. I'm killing the break for you. I'm killing the break. These are the last three teams. They are available. Who wants a kill price? What's up, Yankees? Hold on. Send 69. Bryson Cowboys. Send 69.
What? Damon's taking over.
He loves it so much.
I know. You can't stop.
Orders at theblez.com. That's where you send.
Dude, ODB hit Chromie a LeBron Mojo last night at a Prizm Hobby. A true out of 1819.
That's huge, too. That's amazing.
Guys.
That's amazing. That's where you send Bryson Cowboys. Good to see you, Yankees. We have two teams left. We have the Nets and the Rockets. Who wants a kill? I can't do math, so I got to add it by a calculator.
This is so much. What a break. Impeccable is next.
Who wants it for 50? 55. 55 for the last two. Nets and Rockets. Manu says kill it. Manu send 50. For you, Manu, send less. Send 50. You deserve that. Send less.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys, the way I do this is different than everyone else. I go pack by pack. I like going it pack by pack. This is such a fun break. If you could afford to participate in this break, just buy into it. It's amazing.
It sat on the screen all day. It was annoying me.
All right, take out the Timberwolves first. You got it, Ella Boy. Here we go. Everything ships besides that base. If you can afford to get in this break, it's just two versions of Hobby. The hottest two Hobby Prizm boxes that we've seen. Windler, rookie. DeAndre Hunter, rookie. Let's go to 18. I go one by one. Where's Dallas here? Of course, Cal. Come on, Cal. Yuta Tanapi for the Grizzlies. Silver rookie. Yuta Tanapi.
If you want to hear your favorite players' names pronounced in the funniest of ways, watch the back or break product.
What the
You'll
hell?
laugh all night.
What kind of name is that?
I know. You will laugh all night long.
Yeah, Chromie, this is sick. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to raise the elites because it's HB just attacks.
Yes, he does.
HB literally just sees something, he attacks.
He does.
Purple cracked ice of Derek Jones Jr. That's a bad one for the Heat.
They're gone. You can't. They're gone. The Timberwolves are not there and impeccable.
Siku rookie.
Elavoid, they're gone.
Such a fun break.
They're not there.
Herder rookie. Darren Collison silver. Dante DiVincenzo hyper silver rookie. Oh, by the way, you know what we're adding? You're going to like this even better. So we're going to continue with the hobby version. You know what we have? I'm adding to the store tonight. I'm going to be adding 1819 and 1920 retail. How do you like that? It's another, right? Retail, amazing. One of each.
It's amazing.
It is, right?
It's amazing.
Guys, I'm going to be adding 1819 and 1920 retail of Prizm. It's a lot cheaper.
I think our select runs are hurting this product.
They are.
Because it hits so well. You know what I mean? This is a different kind of product.
Sexton red.
It's hard to hit in this stuff.
How do you like that? How do you like that break? How about retail and retail? Yao Ming red. Should we do the same with Optic Hobby? We don't have any more of it. We don't have any more Optic Hobby.
Why are there fix in here?
Robinson rookie. Lopez silver. Wendell Carter, luck of the lottery, silver.
When can I start doing the optic football that you have in the store?
What up?
You have optic regular
yeah.
football.
Oh, isn't that a good idea too?
Yeah, I want to break it
I
though.
decided to put that in too. Grant Hill, silver. Moutier.
You know this is the case part. I'm just casing everything.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, okay, good. Perfect. What's up, Newell?
Benjamin, you're supposed
How
to
are
love
you,
these
Benjamin?
breaks, Benjamin. Bagley, rookie, Kings. By the way, see, these are the... Like, I wish Zion's Prizm rookie looked like that. Like an action picture. Manu, I'm going to be honest with you. I can't break that tonight. It's not here.
I think Manu's... Is he trolling by saying that?
No, he has the Cardinals.
Oh.
Manu, it's not here.
Oh, so I'm not going to have it in the morning?
No, I'll bring it for you.
Can you? Yeah.
I mean, I'll bring it at like 9 a.m., but I'll bring it by like 12.
Bring it at like, bring it at like 11 or noon.
Yeah,
We're fine.
Yeah, I'll bring it.
That's good.
Clay
Excellent.
Red.
Okay, so Manu, did you hear that? Manu, I can break it for you tomorrow morning, buddy.
Cody Martin Hyper. Pool rookie.
Manu. Tartuffe, that's because you don't watch the channel enough, brother. Packer and I have been on a ton. This is veteran base, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is just...
Im-
Got it.
Wait, we have gold.
Save
Wait.
shit
I have
for
gold.
rookie!
We have a
What
rookie
year?
gold.
What year?
1819.
Woo! That's Fluker Trey. Let's go!
Wow, hold on. Is that confirmed gold?
That's confirmed gold, and that's a confirmed
Wow,
rookie.
we have
saw
a
it.
rookie gold.
We have rookie gold. True.
Saving it. That's sick.
That could be huge. Oh, does Cal Fusion and HB have a sweat?
Gafford rookie silver. Mr. Little for the Blazers. And luck of the lottery of Zion. Bol rookie. We have is this 9 or 10?
9.
10 might be next. We might have to do this.
This is supposed to be a run. You're supposed to go on a run like this is select.
No, but this is the problem. This is what Jackson rookie. This is why I didn't want to do 9 before impeccable, because I know we're going to run this back.
I know.
Jackson rookie.
There are worse problems than run backs.
Gordon Blue. That's true. It's a 199. It's actually Milos.
Guys, I got to tell you, be on Blez Wednesday for release day of Flawless. Backer and I are going to make you laugh all day.
It's going to be fun. I can't wait for
It's going to be amazing. And we're going to pull the biggest hits you've ever seen.
Butler Hyper. I know Manu can't wait.
Flawless is one of the first products ever broke, right?
Yeah, I know.
And you know one of the first big cards I ever pulled out of that, right?
The Botoxin.
Yes.
Yeah, the
Joe Montana, one
Joe
of
Cool.
one inscription.
Joe Cool.
Wilson tag.
Yeah, of course, I'll never forget.
Yep, I never forget it either.
Botoxin showed it to me.
Such a sick card.
The thing is, Botoxin's hit. I mean, you know, Botoxin. By the way, you know, Botoxin has the biggest card ever that we've pulled. You know that, right? But he has the biggest hit ever.
Wait, are you talking about the Kobe logo?
No. I'm talking about the. You know, he has a Mahomes RP at a 5. That's the biggest. You know how much that?
True.
Yes, we pulled that for him. Yes. Yes.
And he has it.
No,
he held it. Good for him.
No, and he still has it. You know
Good
that
for
card's,
him.
that card's worth more than the Kobe logo, man.
It has to be.
That card's probably worth at least. That card might be worth 100. You know that, right?
Yeah. As it should
And
be.
he still has it. Yeah.
Good for him. Good for him.
Richardson silver.
It's going to be a good one. It's going to be a good one.
Oh, yes. I'll add them, Benjamin. Yep.
Please, Prism, let that be Luca or Trey Gold.
You know what? You're going to. Mark Jackson out of St. John's University. Pacers.
You need me to sweat it?
You went. Ooh, look, it's inscribed.
What does it say? God bless something.
God bless Jay. That's actually.
God bless Jesus.
Yeah.
It's actually really cool.
Will you be my... Oh, I didn't even sweat it.
Oh, you didn't.
Williams, Pelicans. I don't even know what this is. Don't worry, Evan. I'm doing impeccable. 37. We're going to do it. We have a rookie gold sweat.
I'm glad you didn't sweat that. You would have been trolling Porter.
Diallo rookie. We have an auto. Ooh, to 25. Musa. Wait, this should be a Mojo auto.
It is.
And it is. All right, after this break, I'm going to have to use something.
Something's happening. Something's happening downstairs.
I don't know what the hell is that. Stomach all of a sudden. All right. We have orange. Tyler Johnson, orange, Suns. That should be to 49. And it is. Chris Dunn, hyper. Reddish, rookie, Hawks. Corver, rookie, true silver. Barnes, hyper. Yeah, Manu, exactly. I don't know what the hell just happened to me. My stomach. Culver Silver.
That's a card. That's a card.
Cody Martin behind it. Red Wave.
This is way better already than the last break I saw.
This is such a good break. Bruce Brown rookie. Zaire Smith. Corver red. Corver's having a break. $2.99. Crab red wave. All right. We have a confirmed gold out of 18-19. It's confirmed. And it's a rookie. How about a Giannis red wave? Rui. All right. What's up? For this to be ran back, that gold has to be a top 5 rookie. Grayson Allen rookie. Jerry West blue cracked ice to 99. That's beautiful. Bamba, look at the lottery. Ennis, red wave. All right, let's sweat this. This has to be a top 5 rookie to run back. If it's Luka or Trey, I'm leaving the room.
It's worth enough.
I'm nervous. Anthony Davis.
And you get an AD silver. Yeah.
See, I can't sweat it like you.
Sure you can. Kostas
Antetokounmpo.
Brother of for Cal Fusion.
It's a true gold.
Yeah.
True gold is a rookie. 9 of 10.
All right.
That is the break.
Recap. This is all base, right?
That's a hold.
Yeah, it's obvious. Yeah. Josh, I need to leave. Actually, I need to be awake in less than 12 hours.
Actually, Musa Mojo too. That box had a gold.
No, that's not a bad break at all. This it's not.
No, none of the top tiers.
It's hard to hit.
I'll change that.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know how to change it.
True gold, I can change. I know how to do that. Yeah, this is a great Cal. This is a hold for sure.
Okay, thank you for watching this break. Thank you for joining. What are we doing next? Impeccable?
Impeccable 37.
Okay.
I'm better now, Manu, I think.
Are you?
I think I'm okay, yeah.
I do have to.
All right, take off.
Okay, I'll set the next stuff.
Just leave it, I got it. We will, Jason. Jason, we will. I've been telling people impeccable for 2 hours.
Here's impeccable.
All right.
There you go. Now you can update it.
Nice. All right, I'll talk to you later.
You got it. And I have a tab open if you want to take teams out. I think it's this one for impeccable.
All right, let's look at impeccable. What do you put Keith in? 2 clutch.
2 clutch cards. 2 clutch cards.
You put him in as that?
Yep. Yep.
All right.
Do you know how to make that bigger so they can see? Yeah, you know how to do it. Guys, fill up impeccable.
Zion is going to be a filler.
What's up, X Johns?
All right, we'll do it. What's up,
Eddie
Ben?
C.
I'm actually fine now. Pelicans. All right, Evan's got the Thunder. Evan's got the Magic. Evan has Portland. There's a lot of elites left. There's a lot of elites left. John, we're going to do Bowman Chrome for sure. All right. Let's see what's left. Actually, there's a lot off. We're close. We're very close. We're going to do Prizm Draft Football, yes. Ah, bacon.
Andrew?
Stinky bacon.
Oh, Stinky. I haven't seen him in a long time.
All right.
All right, Plus family, I'll see you in the morning. I'll see you at 9:30 a.m. Have fun with Jake and the backer.
Yeah, see you in the morning.
All right.
See you in the morning.
Yeah.
I told Jake he should come off by like 12:31.
Yeah, it's fine.
Because he's
No,
gonna
to be
up
honest.
with me. He's gonna be up with me. So
Yeah. Okay.
right.
Actually, more teams are off. Actually, we're down to like 8.
You good? You need anything?
I'm good.
Okay. All right.
I'll see you.
I'll talk to you.
All right, let me find these other teams. Hold on. Ruiz, this is impeccable. I'll tell you what's left in a minute. Zion's going to be ran as a filler. Oh, this is 30. Wait a minute. This is 37. This is 37, guys. Sorry. I don't know why he put 30. This is 37.
What's up, Mavs, man?
Who has Philly? Clippers is Sacktown.
Yeah, I heard about that, Mavs man. Congrats. That's awesome.
Some of these teams.
PC right there.
Who has the Knicks? Who has the Nets? All right, the Nets is Chung. All right. Who has the Knicks here? Let me see. The Knicks are in the store. Okay. All right. We're up to date. 8. There's 9 left. 9 left. Does anyone want a team direct? Let me know. There's 9 left. Oh, we're still